my choice to make.
You understand what a lot of people are saying, because at the end of the day, Keiko, if you not somebody close,
and then you have to remember that also maybe maybe a week or somewhere around that same time. I will talk about this though. But yeah, I mean I don't know. It could be a misunderstanding.
That's what I tell you. Because remember Keiko. Remember this in a Keiko. I say remember say yeah. When time me left from country, I mean, I can call somebody now on the phone. When me honest somebody call me on my phone, and because she's in Jamaica, she could have called me and talked to me because she's in Jamaica. She could have called me on the Jamaica number. Hold on. You said me have her number on my phone.
Oh, sorry, she said my name.
No, she said Orika.
Doesn't matter. At the end of the day, he still didn't have no right to reach out to nobody that you knew for no money. That's not nobody's responsibility.
But then he's there. Or when she come out, well, listen when me I said Keiko, and because she called me Jamaica, call me ring her and tell her call me on the phone. And me I tell her, say, I said something like me on the phone, and me come with him friend, come on. Sitting and talk with him friend, want to spend a week. I want to take out my things, and boy, I go in the things I take out. And she me call. And she said, want to me live, want to me tell her the internet now work and blah, 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 blah. How about that?
Back in. Hold on.
But my thing is, me would have said something. Knowing me, would have said something. But it clearly, your state is you go. Nah, Puss, you don't remember. Remember everything clearly. Can you hear him? See if you hear the voice note that he said? The voice note him say, him just come carry me back from country and me had this him with him friend. So the voice note to it clearly. We just come back from country. So the voice note is there, prove it. And we just come back from country this Sunday. And the Monday me run him out. And it state him say it on the voice note. Evening, bro. So it's clearly stated that, turn on the TV, Rico. It's stated clear that Puss being real, but the Brittney was in other people in back saying you can Puss it being revealed that Brittney was in other people back saying you a scammer. But me don't want to hear that Gaza. We have to see proof because a lot of people can do Red Boot them can do what they want. What people can do with them money. And that don't make sense, because it don't make sense to me. And when something don't make sense to me, it's not true. They don't have no proof of that. Them don't have no proof of that. It was in other people in back saying that couldn't be true. Rico, take him up quick. That couldn't be true. I don't think Brittney could have said that. So I'm not gonna argue with Brittney. So if Brittney wants to say that, I don't believe that. Because I never called Brittney. Chin said she have Hugo just say it's for friends to believe him, but Brittney Vice have Hugo himself. That's right, Bedford. So I don't understand. Chin said she have proof. So Chin come with our proof. That's what we work with. We work with proof. And Brittney couldn't said me should have to talk about you. I didn't call her. 2 times Brittney sent me money. I didn't ask Brittney. Brittney called me and said, oh, Puss, I'm going to send you me. And she said, Puss, oh, I hear it says Hugo birthday. I'm gonna send you $100 Puss. I'm gonna say no, send it to Hugo. So that's why I can't believe this because I never asked Brittney. Brittney offer me. And there's sometimes when I have to listen to truth and facts and it don't make sense. Why would she offer me? I forgot let me scam her. Just because she just said so maybe that's why she bring her suspicious. But now cause Brittney. So shouldn't go into the woman inbox. You shouldn't go into the woman inbox. Simple. No. Why am I gonna make this argument escalate with this because of this dirty man? Says inboxer said that you were scamming money for a plenty. I don't. Yes, she was just suspicious. She was just suspicious. Tell Chin come over here so me can't hear what Chin is saying now. Chin said it over diary. Cause me not understand. Me not know how Chin. Hugo said you was there when he made it. Hugo said you was there. Oh my God. You gonna see a lot. That for show you how you got master. That's how you got lie and wicked. If God was like man, him cut him down right there. So that for show you how. That for show you how you go wicked. I remember, if you don't remember upon the life, you go weren't. Yes, Puss, just leave all of them bullshit. Remember, you go weren't at my house. Can you hear me come and talk one time say with Chris and me and Tanya them kick off and the Chris and you go with Chris and da. So it's not possible. You go say whatever you want to say. Come on to you don't hear you go vice to it when him say him want draw me down, he might go bring me down. He might go when him done with me, I have to come off. So she might go say whatever please him. But the end of the fucking day, it was you go vice on that vice note. Sorry, baby. It was Hugo voice on that voice note begging, not Puss. And him tell him and him friend, dear, not me. So I have nothing to say. Speak, Uko. Uko?
Puss, can you hear me?
I don't know.
Yeah, can you hear me, darling?
Yeah.
The phone's breaking up.
Yes,
this is crazy, Puss.
Yeah,
oh my God. So it's everything is just crazy.
Uko, didn't I come out? It don't make no sense to Brittney say that. And I'm not gonna believe that Brittney say that because it's not possible. Because them hear Brittney say, oh Puss, when you're ready, I will buy your plane ticket. They just saying that. And come on, man. She didn't hide and say that on the phone and ask Brittney if I did ever contact her to buy my plane ticket. No.
Yeah, they meet over there. She said it over there too. That she buy. She said it over there too last night.
Oh.
About what you just said.
So she offered me and asked her if I did call her. I said, Brittney, you know, buy my ticket. No, I never say that. I buy my own ticket. So nothing like that. Because they hear Brittney say, Puss, I'm gonna buy you a ticket. The 8 bit I say, oh Puss, when they're ready. Ask Brittney if I did call her and say, Brittney, you know, buy my ticket. Aurico, quick, Aurico. Ask her. Put him on the ground. Ask her. They can spin whatever they want to spin, Morgan. I don't care. Because I know the truth, and that's why I'm not going to argue with Brittney, because the truth is the truth. That dirty man shouldn't go into the woman inbox. So we're not going to drift the argument off you go and put it on Brittney. Some people do that. Some people don't want an argument with you and your man, and them just maybe not say it to you. And as I said, she make a valid point. She said, when she send the $100 and give for Hugo, she said, all right, Puss, me go send the money. And I say, when tomorrow, him Hugo turn and say, oh, she just send me that way I said that tomorrow for. And then 2 days after, him ask her for money. Anybody that feels suspicious. So come on, man, beat a man and give him right. So like how Jai say, our son tell him say him sick, and she think I scam him, I go scam her. And our own son. So if she can't take that but our own son, come on, man, and if it be fair. I don't want this Brittney situation and Brittney, because none of this what I say Brittney say and Brittney, I don't believe that. I mean, me a one woman, unless me see the facts. Me no want hear and me no want hear. Like how you can talk it, show it. This is what causes confusion and people fight against each other. You're going to make a madman come with him beggy self. Come cause this problem? Fuck that. I'm not entertaining that. If Brittney wants to say it, fuck Brittney, fuck whosoever, I care zero. She can say whatever she want to say. She and me know the truth. I know the truth, and I know that nothing like that. So I don't need to argue. And if I say, oh, Brittney say, and I know it's not true, it's fiction. Why you gonna know the truth and tell lie? I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna beat down upon the truth. Cause everything that me want someone, me entertain on all for mix up and bagga. But me, I would have said something. Uko, do you understand? I would have said something, but as she said, she speak to somebody and they said, don't say nothing and whatever. But I didn't talk to Brittney how long?
But Puss, at the end of the day, just like I said, I don't want no parts. Somebody come and confided me. Remember when she called me? I don't know what she calling me for.
Somebody said in the comments said change said whatever said change said she have that Brittney. I don't know because I can't believe that because
he say, she say.
When you hear me they come up and saying God with Chris, I'm run him out, don't it?
I remember all of that relationship that myself ain't willing to get so deep in. And that's why I'm going to say again, when she called me, I don't know what she's calling me for. You know what I mean? Until she gets to the end of what she's saying. And just like I said to her, the choice is yours. Honestly, I didn't want no responsibility, no part of that. And I still don't. I don't get involved in people's personal relationship. I just don't.
Listen. She have her suspicious. You can't stop her from suspicious because remember when she called me and say, remember Keiko, she did say, oh.
And then not only that, several times there's people on the live that said, oh, Puss use people, using Brittney and Keiko for money, they're using the Yankees for money. That's what they got y'all for. Come on, you have every reason to think that.
As I said, me never use Keiko.
Even Candy said it the other day. Okay, I don't want to mess up your money. Let me go. I mean, come on. Anybody with feelings and some sense is gonna feel a way about that.
Yeah, but all me I say, you remember time me and the April war, and then she said, "Oh, Puss, me go buy your ticket." I never hear back from Brittney till Hugo birthday time. I don't know where Brittney slip up from. I said, "Oh, Puss, is Hugo birthday?" Some problem she said was happening. And she said, oh, I'm going to send you £100, you buy something, Puss. And I said to her, all right, send my Hugo name because I feel birthday, I give it to Hugo. And she said, okay. So she said, all right, Puss, I'm going to send you different. Because me, she never give Hugo in me. I said, no, give it to Hugo. She said, okay, Puss, I'm going to send you £100. So me turned to her and said, all right, tomorrow, Hugo turn. Listen, Hugo turn and say, stop asking about tomorrow because if she going to give you no way, I said tomorrow for. And so that's why when time in go back few days and I tell her, you hear him say that the voice note say, oh Brittney, I'm strong.
But it's a lot of people, not just Brittney. And if people would be honest and stop hiding behind bushes, there was a lot of talk from different angles. People saying they tired of you begging, tired of you asking them for credit, they tired of you asking them for money. All these people was fucking hypocrites.
Brittney 2 day time now. Brittney was surprised to hear what she said. She said because either one I said him said it his voice note is there. You can't turn up upon me. I care zero. Brittney can't say what she because Brittney know the truth and me know the truth. So I'm not going to irritate myself over it because it's stupidness. A 2 time Brittney ever send me money.